happened, lady? What just happened?
Oh, I'm so freaked out.
And that's a real one, people.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing maintenance on our own cache. We haven't been here for proper maintenance since we put it out. So it's been a month, more than a month now, and it hasn't been found in 2 weeks. So we're just gonna go check on it, make sure everything's okay.
See if the lights still work.
Yep, see if it needs maintenance. Back down the path we go. I wonder how raging the waterfall is gonna be because it's been raining pretty hard the last 2 days. Alrighty, into the bush. Ooh, the river's raging. Yep, she flowing.
Oh,
She flowing. Waterfall check. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. Now that way to the cache. Holy.
20 meters that way.
Oh, well, that's pretty good. Go. It's kind of slippery. It's like literally up a bank. It's skiddy as heck. At least if he falls, it'll be funny. There she is, people. She's a little bit wet, but she's okay.
Oh, that mold.
Oh my god, look how moldy it is. Ooh.
Dry though. It is dry.
Dry but moldy. Lights still work. Oh my gosh, lights still work.
That's cool.
Okay, we're gonna do a bit of maintenance, then we'll come back. The painted rock. Look at that, that's cool.
Yeah, everything looks alright.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Oh, someone put the spider in the back.
Oh, looks alright.
There it is.
Spider's okay.
Yeah, all dry. Oh, that mold though.
Ugh. I wouldn't inhale too much of it. So unfortunately, lost the lid to our nano. Someone was not free. They wrapped it up in tin foil though, but...
What's happened, lady? What just happened?
Oh, I'm so freaked out. You know how we put the spider in there to scare people? I just got scared. There is an actual spider, I'm not kidding.
This
a
size.
real one, this size, in the cache, right where you just
We
stuck
have a
your hand.
living...
Oh my god, no! No. Can you see it?
And that's a real one, people.
Oh my god, it's the same size as the cache, I'm not kidding. If you can hold the camera in this, I'll poke it with a stick.
Oh, spider was right next to it.
Ugh. Watch it run, people. If it runs, I'm gonna scream.
Oh shit. Okay.
We have to get that out.
Yeah, but how?
We're trying to kill the spider because it can't live in there. We can't let people and kids put their hand in there with that spider. It's right in the back corner behind the white thing.
Die. There it comes.
Oh yeah.
There it comes.
Oh yeah.
There it
Ooh.
comes. Oh, it's a fat one.
Ooh. Here it comes. Ooh. I don't even know what kind of spider that is.
It's fat, but it's slow. Here it comes.
Ooh. Holy shit. Look how big that is. Ooh. Oh my god, squash it. Stand on it. Alright, so we're down from the cache up there. We've actually taken it with us because it's a little bit moldy and it needs a bit of maintenance. So we're going to take it home and do proper work on it and bring it back tomorrow. Alright, we brought it home. We're going to open it up and do a little bit of maintenance on it. Because as you can see, it's a little bit moldy and the lights have come down from the ceiling and the mushrooms need replacing.
Yep.
So let's open her up.
So this is why we made it like this, that you can easily open it. And then hopefully it will come off.
Oh no. Look at the mold.
Yeah.
But we're gonna fix that. I think it's amazing how it still works though. Oh well, you start that. Meanwhile, I'm gonna start this. Alright. Ugh.
Just don't breathe. Comes off pretty easy.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna replace all of these mushrooms because as you can see, like on that one, the colours like come off it, and that will happen to these ones too. So I'm just gonna replace them. Meanwhile, I'm gonna give it another coat of paint, but this time I'm gonna coat the inside because the mold didn't really stick to the paint. So yeah, hopefully that'll solve a little bit of that problem.
This one was in the lights for the batteries, so it's like two little tiny batteries. It still works, but all this is inside the cache. People are fiddling with the hands inside the roller because someone apparently thought that the log was in the light thingy. I don't want that to happen again. So I'm gonna put these lights back in, but more permanently, and I'm gonna put the batteries actually on a sort of like extension cord outside the cache, so I can with this one, so I can just wrap this one up in a bag and put it outside the cache, so I can easily replace the batteries.
Excellent.
Yeah.
They look nice and bright now too. Alright, it's the next day now. As you can see, it's actually dried a little bit, which is kind of nice. But yeah, cleaned all the mold off this one. So it looks all nice and new now. We spray painted the inside of this to stop the mold.
We're gonna put the light in there, but to prevent people from like, oh, what's up there? Taking it down, I'm gonna cut out from this milk bottle. I'm gonna cut out the shape of the inside, and I'm gonna put that on top with 4 screws. So we put the lights in. This one goes on top of the lights like that. I'm gonna put the switch back on there, and then it's gonna be looking like that. Ta-ta. And the battery is gonna be externally behind the cache, so we can easily change the batteries if we like. Just gonna put in the screws.
First screw in.
Where did I leave the rest of the screws? Oh. All I did now is put a little bit of tape around the seam and put the bottom back on. Alright, what was front and what was back? Yeah.
We've had a change of mind with the spider. So instead of the log being in the spider, we are going to put it in a little DNA tube and put it in here because it was getting lost. But the spider's still going to be on the door. We're just going to drill him in.
Operation Spider.
Shish kebab.
Oh, poor spider. I'm sorry.
Shish kebabbing the spider. So here we have our refurbished Very Scary Guardian 2.0. So yeah, here is the battery box that we're going to put on the outside. You open her up. The spider is now screwed onto the back of the door, and then of course the lights have been placed under the milk bottle so no one can touch it. And also the little container got a bit of an upgrade as well. On the top of it we put one of our cards that we put in, but we put placed with the Kiwis, and we stuck it on the top so it will never come off. Refilled it with swag. So yeah, there we have it, the nice clean refurbished geocache. Good morning, we are back at Totra Park and we are about to place our cache. We're just going to go for a little walk and then we'll put it out and we'll show you when it's placed. This doesn't look dodgy at all.
Yeah, we need to camo it.
And down the path again we go. When you guys come here to see our cache, you're going to be like, oh, I know this. Alright, go. Alright, back at ground zero.
Rock is still here.
Nice. Just put it out and go because there's muggles everywhere. Alright, it's out of the bucket. Time to replace it. Yep, pop it back in. There she goes.
Closing it.
Yes.
And hopefully this log works better than the previous one. Awesome. Turn the lights off.
Yes.
Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna put this one here.
Yeah, I think that's nice. Bye, Cash. Good luck. It's definitely more like a 3.5 at this time. Yeah. So slippery.
Right, come Lily. Just be careful of this slippage.
It's such an adrenaline rush trying to come out of the bush and not be spotted by muggles when I sat down a busy path.
Yeah. Hi, Cash. Hi.
Just gonna have a look at the waterfall again as per usual. So nice.
It looks nice.
Oh yeah, that's really nice.
We chose a nice cache location.
We did. Our first ever cache maintenance run complete.
Yeah.
But now we've got a little bit of time before we need to go and do some chores. So we're going to go to our friends the Coblets cache, which is like a couple hundred meters that way, and it's the swag stash, so it's full of swag and stuff. So we're going to go check it out for them, put some more swag in it, do a little bit of maintenance for them if needed, because we were like, oh, we can be like friends and put like maintain each other's caches. Yeah. Also, in a couple of weeks' time, there's actually an event here at Totra Park, and we're hoping to make it our first ever event. So what the hell, this is tiring. It's a night walk in the bush, so it's going to be like gumboots, torches. Oh, right, we're going to dig into here, take all these nice swag stuff to the cache. Right, we normally go that way to our cache from here. Now we're going to go that way. Yeah, I think we went in here or something. Into the bush.
Probably even more slippery now.
We already see it.
Be careful, Lady. Is it heavy?
No, not really.
Come, Lady. Come take my hand. I need you to follow me to geocaching land. Unwrap it, woman. I hope it looks just as nice as last time. What was that? Oh, it looks nice.
It looks fun.
Oh, it looks perfect. good condition. Oh, look at that, people. The 28th of December 2018 we found it. So we're gonna take both trackables. We're gonna put this truck in, this nice big tractor in, and we're gonna put this big boy in, just for comparison, people, how big it is.
And it's been washed in the washing machine, so it's all nice and fluffy.
Yeah. Alright, that was our adventure for today.
Indeed, and that was our first ever successful cache maintenance run.
Yes,
Indeed.
people, come out and go to
The
this
swag
cache.
stash. We'll put the GC code down below. Thank you for watching. We
Yes.
hope you enjoyed it.
We did. Make sure to like and subscribe.
That's the
Hit
one.
the notification bell
So you get notified when we upload.
so you get notified when we upload.
Leave us a comment.
And make sure to watch our video on Friday
Yes.
with the final
Mystery at the
Mystery
museum.
at the museum.
See you next time.
See you next time. Bye. It's such a nice D.